Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will be discussing very important multiple choice questions from mathematics, and these questions are very important for your upcoming competitive entrance examinations. Now let us see our first question. Limit x tends to a and the numerator is x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power n minus n divided by x minus 1. In this question, if you substitute this all x by 1, we get 0 by 0 form. In such case of 0 by 0 form, we can use L'Hospital rule to find the solution. And our options are option choice A, n to the power n plus 1, option choice B, n plus 1 divided by 2, option choice C, 2n minus 1, option choice D, n plus 1. Now let us solve this question by using L'Hospital rule. In L'Hospital rule, we at first calculate the derivative of numerator and then derivative of the denominator. In this case, if we take the derivative of this term, we get 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Square is missing here, plus like this, and denominator will be 1 minus 0. In this case, if we substitute our all x by 1, we get this expression 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n. This is sum of all natural n numbers, which will finally give us n plus 1 divided by 2. That is option choice B. So option choice B is the correct answer for this question. Now let us move to question number 2. Limit x tends to a, x to the power 3 minus a to the power 3 divided by x minus a. And option choice A is a by 2, option choice B is 2 by a, option choice C is 3a, and option choice D is 3a square. We can solve this question easily by using one simple formula, and the formula is, if we have limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a, our answer will be n a to the power n minus 1. n a to the power n minus 1. Here n is 3, so 3 will come at first, and then a to the power n minus 1 means 3 minus 1. A to the power 3 minus 1 means a to the power 2. That is option choice D. Option choice D is the right answer for this question number 2. Now let us move to question number 3. Limit n tends to infinity sin x by x. In this case, this n must be x. Sin x tends to infinity sin x by x. This is standard formula. In this formula, our answer will be 0. Limit x tends to infinity sin x by x will give us 0. That is standard formula. Now let us move to question number 4. Limit x tends to theta, x cos theta minus theta cos x divided by x minus theta. In this case, if we substitute x by theta, we get theta cos theta minus theta cos theta divided by theta minus theta. That is 0 by 0. In this case, if our expression is giving us 0 by 0, we can easily calculate the final answer by using L'Hospital rule. Now let us use L'Hospital rule in order to find our answer quickly. So by using L'Hospital rule, this x will give us 1 and cos theta will be as it is. This theta will give us theta, and the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. And this x, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of theta is 0. In this case, if we substitute our x by theta, we get our final answer, and our answer will be cos theta plus theta sin theta. Cos theta plus theta sin theta. That is option choice A is the right answer for question number 4. Now let us see question number 5. Limit x tends to 0 sin 2x plus sin 6x divided by sin 5x minus sin 3x. Let us solve this question quickly by using our trick. So we can solve this question by using this method. We can write this sin 2x divided by 2x and we can multiply by this 2. Similarly, we can write sin 6x divided by 6x into 6. And here denominator also we can write this whole expression like this. And after writing this sin 2x divided by 2x will give us 1. Because we know that limit sin x by x will give us 1. And this whole term will give us 1. And likewise, we can write 2 plus 6 divided by 5 minus 3. That is 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. 4 is in option choice B. Now let us move to question number 6. If limit x tends to 0, sin 4x divided by 10ax is equal to 5, then a is equal to what? In this case, we can solve this question like this. At first, we arrange our expression like this, sin 4x divided by 4x into 4, and we can also write this 10ax like this, and we know that this whole expression limit x tends to 0, sin 4x divided by 4x will give us 4, and this whole denominator will give us a, and we have 5 already here. By arranging this term, our final answer for a will be 4 by 5. A is equal to 4 by 5 is in option choice B. So option choice B is the right answer for this question number 6. Now let us move to question number 7. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 3x divided by 1 minus cos 4x is equal to what? In this case also we can use L'Hospital rule, because by using L'Hospital rule we find our answer quickly. So taking the derivative of this numerator, 1 will give us 0, derivative of cos 3x is minus sin 3x dot 3, and derivative of this cos 4x is minus sin 4x dot 4. X is missing in this case. Again we have to use L'Hospital rule. This 9 will come at the front, and this derivative of sin 3x is 3 cos x, that is 3 into 3 will be 9, and 9 cos 3x divided by 16 cos 4x will come here. In this case, if we substitute our x by 0, we know that cos 0 is 1 and denominator is also cos 0. Final answer will be 9 by 16, and 9 by 16 is in option choice D. Now let us move to question number 8. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power sin x minus 1 divided by x. The final answer for this question, and here are options A, B, C, D. Now let us see the solution. In this case again we will use L'Hospital rule. Derivative of e sin x is e sin x dot cos x, derivative of 1 will be 0, and we know that derivative of this x is 1. And after using L'Hospital rule and substituting x is equal to 0, we get e to the power sin 0 and cos 0 divided by, this must be 1 here, and this will give us e to the power 0 and cos 0 is 1. So 1 will be answer in this case. Option choice A is the correct answer for question number 8. Now let's move to question number 9. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power 2x minus 1 divided by x. In this case also we use the same logic. Derivative of e to the power 2x will be 2 dot e to the power 2x, derivative of 1 will be 0, and derivative of x will be 1. Now if we substitute x is equal to 0, we get 2 into e to the power 0, and we know that e to the power 0 is 1. So final answer for this question will be 2. Now let us move to question number 10. Limit x tends to 0, log cos x divided by x is equal to what? And here we have options. You solve this question by yourself. This is homework for you, question number 10. And thank you very much for your attention. These questions are very important for your upcoming entrance examinations, because some question has been already appeared in different type of entrance examinations. Thank you very much.